Welcome to another cryptocurrency video, guys. This is Winance, and let me tell you, today the market was uh, down for 3.3%. So we are going to analyze the price of Bitcoin today. Let's open Bitcoin in another window. Let's wait for a while to load the page. And today the price of Bitcoin was $42,148.42. So this is the 1 year window. So we can see in February 2021 the price was 32,510 $510.82. Then it went up almost 30%, 35%, and it went sideways for a while. Then it took a dip for 30, I think 30,000, almost 30 to 29,000 dollars. And then it went up, and then it went down again to 41,000. So I think this is the right time to buy Bitcoin. And now if you buy Bitcoin right now, let's see how much money you can make if you hold it for, I think, 6 months. 6 months is okay. So the first Bitcoin high price was, the peak was $19,000. I'm rounding this number. So then the second peak was 57,000 or $58,000, and the third was $69,000, exactly $69,000. Now if you buy, should you buy it right now? 69. So the price is $42,000. You can wait or you can buy it right now. So I will suggest you to wait for some days until it comes down to $40,000. If you can buy it for $40,000, and you can sell it for 80,000, at least $80,000 per Bitcoin. You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You can buy fractional of Bitcoin. So if you wanna invest in Bitcoin, you can start with $1,000. I don't know how much money you can make with that, but if you invest heavily in Bitcoin right now, you can double your money. This is guaranteed. The historical data shows us that if you buy your Bitcoin right now, your money will be doubled in less than 6 months. So thanks. That is it for today. We'll see you in the next video.